Chamarel Waterfall in Mauritius. Undoubtedly the tallest single-drop waterfall in Mauritius at about 100-meter high, the Chamarel Waterfall is a striking piece of nature standing amid dense vegetation. Fed by the waters of three distinct streams pouring into Saint Denis River, it has a powerful rush with a peak flow rate in excess of 40,000 cubic meter per minute. Proceeding along the Seven Coloured Earth Geopark's 3 km access road, which makes for a scenic drive to the geosite, don't miss the waterfall's viewpoint on your left. Offering a front row view of this wonder of nature, it can be accessed via a trail snaking through dense foliage. Overhanging the ledge of a basalt cliff, the Chamarel Waterfall splashes into an oval pool before flowing down a 6 km tropical forest-fringed canyon to Baie du Cap. The site not only floods the senses with freshness, but it is also a spectacular showcase of millions of years of volcanic activity. The dramatic landscape is formed by lavas of two different ages. The layer of brecciated basalt near the base dates from between 10 to 8 million years ago, on top of which lies a second layer from the intermediate period between 3.5 and 1.7 million years ago. No wonder why the Chamarel Waterfall is ranked among the most sought-after sightseeing spots in Mauritius. Hiking to Chamarel Waterfall, the highest waterfall in Mauritius. Uncover the immaculate beauty of the island as you descend into a secret valley in the south of Mauritius and follow the unique sights and sounds of the river as you make your way to the base of the Chamarel Falls. At a height of 100 meters, this is the highest waterfall in Mauritius. Also, known as one of the most breathtaking spots on the island, the Chamarel Waterfall offers a truly magnificent view where the cascading waters hit the pool below from majestic heights. Enjoy the refreshing spray from the falls above or have a swim in the pool. Revel in the untouched beauty of this limited access location and be amazed by the sights and sounds of a true tropical rainforest and its myriad of plant and animal species that continue to thrive as a result of laborious work done by locals to protect the fauna and flora. About the Chamarel Waterfall hiking trip. The Chamarel Waterfall hiking trail is one of the most popular hiking trails in Mauritius and is ideal for travelers eager to combine nature discovery with a fun activity. Your hiking activity will start at 9 o'clock with a safety briefing by the professional guides. Throughout your trek you will experience a wonderful connection with nature. This can be an amazing opportunity to cut off, break away from your daily routine and rejuvenate yourself in the midst of nature. Marvel at the breathtaking views of rivers, forests and waterfalls while discovering an iconic landmark in this magnificent paradise. This hiking trip is not too challenging and accessible to all. While hiking down the trail, listen to the rustling trees, chirping of the tropical birds and contemplate on the wild beauty with outstanding scenic views. As you hike you will spot splendid flora and fauna, with some endemic species that are particular to this region. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.